tie a little bow on the top. Yeah, I'll tie a little bow. Okay, no, hang on. I gotta take the tag off. Grab. I don't know how this goes. Going. Oh, I get it. Gotta put one foot here. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, give me your foot. I'm not trying to touch your feet. Just give me your leg. That's a go. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, aren't you the cutest little baby girl ever? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's falling off. Wait a minute. This is awesome. Look at this little tutu butterfly. I'm going to tie it around here. There we go. That'll work. This'll work just like this. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. I got to put the bow on it. Oh my gosh, you're so cute, Sugar. Oh my gosh, look at the tutu. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Look at that. What's the gut? What's the gut? Come on. Come on. What's the gut? Come here. Ah, this is so cute. Okay, get tied on. Oh, look at that. Say hi, everybody. I'm a butterfly princess. See, I'm doing the butterfly, what do you call that? Ballet. You're a ballet. You're in the ballet and you're a butterfly. Ain't that so cute? I know you love it. You love it, don't you? Oh my gosh. See, everybody look. Hey, look at me. I'm a butterfly ballet. See, I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. Oh, you look so cute, baby girl. Go get Daddy. Where's Daddy? Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. She's like, please take this off me now. Oh my gosh, you look so cute.